How to remove contact photo on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can remove contact photos on your Android device. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So the process is really simple. You can head over to your contacts, or you can just tap on the phone icon on your Android device, and there you should find the contacts that you want. So from here you can locate the contact that you want to remove the contact photo of, or you can just go to the contact section. So we can open up the contacts app as well. So from here locate your person that you want to remove. So after you find the person that you want to remove the contact photo of, you can then tap on the edit option, the edit icon that should be on the top right corner right beside settings. Tap on that. So after you're here, tap on the three dots on the top right here, right above your photos. Then tap on remove picture. After you tap on remove picture, the picture will be removed, and then you can tap on the save button on the top right. And with that, you have just removed your contact photo from your Android device. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.